Welcome back. In this video we are going to discuss about the second case for the non-homogeneous differential equation, that is nothing but when r is equal to RHS, r is equal to k into cos ax or k into sin ax. Okay, for this equation what we can do? So left hand side remains the same procedure you have to follow. Y double dash d square, y dash d, and then y you can take it outside, so hence we'll get in d form. RHS will remain as same. Now auxiliary equation you have to write. So replace d with m. So you will get what? M square minus 2m minus 8 is equal to 0. We ignore this y. Now here you have to find the solution for m, that means the roots. So you can just calculate in the calculator, or you can just go for the splitting the middle term factorization. So you'll get 4 comma minus 2. Now yc you can directly write, since these are the real and different roots, distinct roots, you can write it in this form: c1 into e power ax, that is 4x, plus c2 into e power minus 2x. That's it. So this we got yc. Now we have to go for the yp. Always remember, for yp it is 1 by f of d into whatever function is there. K you have to take it outside. So k into 1 by f of d. F of d means function of d. Here you can see function of d, and whatever thing is there, cos ax is there, then cos ax, sin ax is there, then sin ax. Now here you can observe, so RHS you can see 4 into k, this is k into 1 by function of d, this part, whole thing you have to write, into cos 2x. That's it. Okay, whatever is there, yeah, that only you have to write. Okay, now the thing is that here what is the procedure? Here it is quite different from the previous case. What we need to do here, you have to substitute whatever a is there. No, here in place of d square you have to substitute minus a square, minus of a square. Remember, in place of d square you have to substitute minus of a square. That means what is a over here? It is 2. That means here you have to substitute d square is nothing but minus of 2 square. What is 2 square? That is 4. So minus of that becomes minus of 4. Okay. So in place of d square, not in place of d. Remember, I am placing it over d square. So d square becomes minus 4, not d. So here you can see the simplified version. So d square I have replaced with minus 4. Remember, it is bracket, you have to remember. Okay, minus of a square. So minus 4 minus 2d will remain the same, minus 8. Minus 8 and minus 4 will give me minus 12. That I have written over here. So it is minus 2d minus 2. What rest all will remain the same. No need to change anything. Now the thing comes here, we have to remove this d. We don't want d. So what we need to do, we can just take 2 here outside. Okay, minus 2 I can just take outside. So this becomes d plus 6. When I take minus 2 outside, it becomes d plus 6. Here you can just cancel it out. This becomes minus 2. Now 1 by d plus 6. But I don't want d. So what I can do? It is in denominator. Just we can go for the rationalizing the denominator. I hope you know rationalizing the denominator. Just you have to sign the sign of this and just multiply on numerator and denominator. That's what I have done over here. Minus 2, after simplifying this, minus 2. Cos 2x will remain the same as it is. Okay, now I am multiplying d minus 6 into numerator as well as denominator, so I will get d minus 6 by d plus 6 into d minus 6. This is in which form? D square minus a square minus b square form. So it will become d square minus 36, because 6 square, what is that? 6 square? 6 square is nothing but 36. Now d minus 6 and d square minus 36. Now d square, you remember we had solved that d square is nothing but minus 4. So you can just replace with minus 4 again. So hence after replacing, what will become? Minus 2 by minus 40, because minus 4 minus 36 is minus 40. Minus minus get cancelled. 2 20s are we can write. Okay. Now the thing is that here it is in bracket, just you can multiply with this, expand the bracket. That means d into this minus 6 into this. So d into cos 2x minus 6 into cos 2x. Now the thing is that always remember what is the d implies. So d basically implies it is nothing but the first differentiation. Okay, we have discussed d is nothing but d by dx. Okay, first differentiation. This thing you have to remember. Now differentiation of cos 2x. What is that? Minus 2 into sin 2x. Minus 6 cos 2x will remain there. Our intention is to remove this d. So first d means d by dx. Okay. So 1 by 20 we got after simplifying this, then minus 2 sin 2x minus 6 cos 2x. Now the final solution will be what? Y is equal to yc plus yp. Yc we have already solved, that is nothing but this part, and yp will be this whole part. So just add it up and that will be the final solution. In order of this, you have to remember, just in this case always remember you have to replace d square, not d square with a minus of a square. Don't get confused, it is not minus of this thing. Okay, then it will become what positive, always positive. So always remember minus is outside, minus of a square. So you have to replace with that. Our intention is to remove this d. Since it is in denominator, we are just going for the rationalizing the denominator in order to remove this d. So you can just see we have removed this d from the denominator. For the case of numerator, just we are going for the differentiation. Since we know d is nothing but d by dx, so hence we can go for the differentiation. That is first differentiation. So we have just differentiated the thing and we have got the final solution.